How to stay motivated when no one believes in you.
Masakit, di ba? Yung feeling na ikaw lang ang naniniwala sa pangarap mo. Walang support, walang cheer, minsan puro doubts pa nga. Kahit ikaw lang. Pero let me tell you this. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You just need to believe in what God placed inside you. Here are 3 truths to hold on to when no one else believes in you. Number 1. God believes in you even when people don't. Si Lord naniniwala sa'yo kahit iba hindi. Remember David? Wala sa kanya ang expectations ng family niya. Shepherd lang siya. Pero si Lord, nakita ang puso niya. Ginawa siyang hari. Kahit walang nakakakita ng potential mo, si Lord kita ka. And when God is with you, that's more than enough. Number 2, don't wait for approval to take action. Huwag kang maghintay ng approval bago kumilos. If you wait for everyone to support you, baka di ka makapagsimula. Jesus himself was rejected in his hometown. So who are we to expect na laging may applause? Your calling doesn't need everyone's confirmation. Ang importante, alam mong tinawag ka ni Lord. Number 3, use doubt as fuel, not a wall. Gamitin mong gasolina ang pagdududa, hindi pader. Yung di nila paniniwala, huwag mong gawing dahilan para tumigil. Gawin mong dahilan para mas lumaban. God loves to use the underestimated to shock the world. Kaya huwag kang matakot kung di ka naiintindihan. Basta malinaw sa'yo ang direction ni Lord, tuloy lang. Tandaan, hindi mo kailangan ng crowd para magtagumpay. Kailangan mo lang ng conviction, ng pananampalataya at si Lord. So even if no one claps, no one cheers, keep going. Because the one who called you will finish what he started. Kaya laban lang. Kahit ikaw lang,